Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyongrim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
The next-gen Tata Tiago. Dual-tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, bakiway. Tek kum ki kaliram, hagador ke bejam, tak sao point riulak. Just wow.
Ka Kynhun Myntri jong sarkar jela, haka khandai trik nailar aja open riu, kala Mynjur ya ki hindu Tylli ki bil, lani ki ain rau, ki bratarwa da katanat puli puthi, ki Kynthup ya lai Tylli ki jing penbet Thymmai, ar Tylli ki jing terwa na kabanta ki skul ba Thymmai, bat kawai ke bahap pendam no. Habakaran skilap thai kubur hadim melawai ke jingalang jong Kynhun Myntri uba syala ulai thu baka Kynhun Myntri kala Mynjur banwan ra ke jing penbet Thymmai haka Maharashtra Institute of Technology Meghalaya Amendment Bill arja open riu kenang kandup la banbut I kendon jong UGC bad haka ju kapor la Mynjur ru banwan ra ke jing penbet Thymmai haka Mahatma Gandhi University Amendment Bill arja open riu Kynthup ru ika jingpen bet Thymmai haka Martin Luther Christian University Amendment Bill aja open rio. Ki Tylli University Bill ki ba Thymmai ki bala Mynjur da Kynhun Myntri kilong. The sister Nivedita University Meghalaya Bill aja open rio. Baltarwa bantai ha bernihan kat baga khasi jaintia Presbyterian University Meghalaya Bill aja open rio. Baltarwa banchna ya ka skul ba haka snong so yong. Yakin ikin riu Tylli ki ain rau ansara ka darbar senrai jong kaying darbar tauan kaban sedang nadu ka apsau terik nailar aja open riu.
So today we have six formal agendas discussed, and all six agendas are from the education department. And mostly these are bills. All are bills actually. Three are amendment. Two are new bills to be placed in the house, and one is the repeal. The number one is Maharashtra Institute of Technology. Maharashtra Institute of Technology of Meghalaya Amendment Bill 2026. Here is in the original bill is that the visitor is usually in the original bill is decided by the sponsoring body, which is like but in all other university the visitor is decider. It's usually used to be the governor. So we are just amending it according to with as per UGC norm, and also as per the act, which is at par with all the other university in our state. That is number one. Number two is that the board of management, we are increasing the member of the representative from the government in the board of management from 1 to 2, and from in the board of governor from 2 to 3. That is the amendment in the first agenda, that is the Maharashtra Institute of Technology of Meghalaya Amendment Bill 2026. Number two is Mahatma Gandhi University Amendment Bill 2026. This also same thing. Because these two universities are like the only university in our state which have followed this in their original act. That is like I already mentioned. The number one is like the visitor is used to be decided by the sponsoring body, but now we have amended it that the governor will be the visitor in this university, and the number two, that the increase of the number of board of management and board of governors. Number three is the Martin Luther Christian University Amendment Bill 2026. This also we are following according to the UGC regulation. That is number one, because right now this in the present act, the Martin Luther Christian University can function outside the Meghalaya. But as you all know that the state legislature cannot give permission to outside the jurisdiction of the state. So that's why that is number one. We are limiting the Martin Luther Christian University within Meghalaya. That is number one. Number two is like in their original act, they have a clause mentioning that it is they have this distant education, which is like it is not allowed in the private university. That is also we are doing away with it, the distant education. And number 3 is that the affiliating the college. In the present act, the Martin Luther Christian this Christian University can affiliate college, but which is not allowed as per UGC norm. So that's why that also we are doing away. We are not allowing that the affiliation of the college. So this is with the Martin Luther Christian University Amendment Bill. And the fourth and fifth one are the new bill. The fourth are Sister Nivedita University Meghalaya Bill 2026. This is a new university which have come forward for approval and have brought the bill. This year will be in Birmingham. So this is a new bill. And the next one is the Khasi Jaitya Presbyterian University Meghalaya Bill 2026. This also a new bill, and this will be in Soyang, in Soyang. And the last one is the International Open University Repeal Bill 2026. So this act they came to the state legislature. We passed it in 2011, but after 2011, then till 2022, nobody has come forward and they have not done anything. But after in 2022, some people have come forward with the power of attorney. But later on, we came to know that there is a conflict. And at the same time, we feel from the cabinet that because if you see in the name itself, it is International Open University, which is like contradicting, which international words is there. And the other one is Open University, which is which is not allowed as per UGC norm. So that's why the cabinet feel that it's better in order to avoid any kind of problem in the future. So that's why we are repealing this bill. So these are the 6 agenda we discussed in the cabinet today.
Is kata baik smart card semuanya sangka.
Nhà em khá mất cả tại vì MSIS mà
Gak jingir apa saya lalu yang sortar hantam ya ikut ya sutom.
Ini kena hafsa dari sama. Ada MHIS card
Untuk ambil karakter kata.
Jadi ni kon pi hab ada medika hostel, dah hab lek pi ka registration. Kalau dah pi dengan smart card, dah sampai cok.
Oh dokter kan lah ya.
Yang ni kon pi hab lek operation ni yo.แต่ความกล้ามตัวครับปัญญาในพี่อยากไปสร้างตะก้าหับไล่ operation นี้แต่ว่าพี่MHIS card พี่และนี่ก็ smart card แต่ก็ทำไปเอาเรื่อยๆพี่
Ri nak bagi mon le yo yo poisa sumar ni kon. Abenda dan eksir yo sumar. Kebelah si bona kalau ia lah atau percangga fu ni ya.
Ini kan memang dia smart card.
kan thế. Cũng để chim bột, mò.